In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set auto connect on NordVPN. If you want your VPN protection ready the moment your Windows PC starts, this quick setup will make sure the NordVPN app is there as soon as you log in, so you're not relying on memory to turn it on later. Start by opening the NordVPN desktop app on your Windows computer. Make sure you're signed in and on the main app screen. Look toward the top right corner of the window and find the profile icon. This is where the app tucks away its key preferences. Click that profile icon to open the menu, then choose Settings. Settings is the control center for how the app behaves both while you're using it and in the background. Inside Settings, select the General section. You'll find this in the left-hand list of categories. General contains everyday options that affect how and when NordVPN runs. Scroll if needed until you see the option labeled Launch the app at Windows Startup. This is the switch that tells Windows to start NordVPN automatically every time your system boots. Turn that switch to on. In most versions of the app, the toggle will change color or clearly show that it's enabled. That's it. NordVPN will now open on its own the next time your PC starts up. This is a small change with a big payoff. Having the app launch early helps you get protected sooner, reducing the chance of going online without VPN coverage. A quick note on what this setting does and doesn't do. Launching at startup makes sure the app opens automatically. It does not by itself force a connection. However, if you already use features like Quick Connect or have your Auto Connect preferences configured in the app, starting at boot means NordVPN can follow those preferences without you hunting for the app. In short, the app being open is the first step to being protected, and enabling this option helps make that happen consistently. If you ever want to change this behavior, this is the exact place to come back to. Just return to Settings General and toggle launch the app at Windows Startup off again. Interface labels can vary slightly between app versions, but the General section and this option are typically in the same area. To recap, open the NordVPN app, go to the profile icon, enter Settings, choose General, find Launch the app at Windows Startup, and turn it on. With that set, you're one step closer to seamless protection every time you power up your PC